I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is Jazzy, and we both love the Look Dawn food water bowl combo dish for pets. Because they're connected, it's something that you don't have to worry about putting a food and a water dish out separately for your pet. They're not going to make a mess, tip them over, that you're later gonna have to clean. The water has a water bottle that you can fit in and connect down here, and it slowly releases the water for your animal's needs, and you don't have to worry about it so much. It's very easy to clean, like the little white guard here, so that actually your animal can't put their whole face in it and then get wet, and then there's water everywhere and you're always having to worry about cleaning up that mess. Perfect just for them to get their tongue in there, get the needed water without getting too wet or making a mess. So I love it. Jazzy loves it. I think it's a great option for anyone that has pets, doesn't want to have the hassle of getting two separate bowls and filling them and cleaning them separately. It's all one thing, easy to clean, super convenient, and fills the needs of your beloved animals. And that's our point of view.